Day and good evening to all. Welcome to the last day of October Yoga Challenge. Let's start as usual. We make a humming sound three times. So let's close your eyes. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. Breathing out. Relax your shoulder, arms, whole body. Keeping the attention on your whole body. Breathe in and let's make a humming sound. Wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. And slowly and gently open your eyes. So today we will do Agnisara Pranayama. Palms on your knees facing the ground. Breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathe out from your mouth. Hold the breath. Chin to the chest. Pull your navel in and up. Then pump your abdomen in and out. Breathing in, slowly come up and relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. The smile on your face. Let's continue with second round of Agnisara. Breathe in, take your head up and back. And breathe out. Chin to the chest. Pull your navel in and up. And flap your tummy in and out. Once you cannot hold anymore, breathe in and relax. Let's continue with the third round of Agnisara. Breathe in, take your head up and back. And breathe out. Chin to the chest. Pull your navel in and up. And flap your tummy in and out. And breathing out, relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. And let's continue with loosening exercises. So let's start with the neck. Breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up and back. And breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right and back. And breathing out, left and front. Make a nice circle. Coordinate the movement with the breath and attention on your neck region. a smile on your face. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in left and back, and breathing out right and front. Once you complete this round, relax. Slowly come back to the center. And now gently place the palms on your shoulder. Join your elbows in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up and back, and breathing out, down and front. Breathing in, up and back, and breathing out, down and front. Make a nice circle. Attention on your shoulder region. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in, back and up, and breathing out, front and down. And relax. Let's rock our body like a pendulum, left and right. Place the palms on the ground. Now slowly start placing the elbows also on the ground. This time when you place the right elbow on the ground, take your left arm up. Stretch your left arm. Make sure both the hips are still touching the ground. And on the other side. And relax. Let's twist our spine. Turn to the right side and place your right palm on your left hip and left palm on your right knee and look over your right shoulder. And on the other side. Breathing in center and breathing out to the right. Breathing in center and breathing out to the left. Let's do it one more time. To the right. And to the left. And relax. Come back to the center. Let's do body rotation. The upper body rotation. Straighten your back. Breathing out, bend forward. Keeping your back straight. And from here, breathing in from your right and back. Breathing out, left and front. Make a nice big circle with your head as a continue. Once you complete this round, reverse direction. Breathing in left and back and breathing out right and front. And relax. Slowly come up. Straighten your leg and sit in Dandasana. Breathing out. Point your toes to the front wall. Breathing in. Back to your body. In, out. In, out. And let's make a rotation with the ankle. Both the ankle. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And relax. Let's all stand up. Shaking our fingers. Let's all stand up. Shake your whole body. And let's dance like a Shiva. Okay. So how we dance like a Shiva is we go down and take our left leg on the right to the left and left to the right. And keep looking to your arms, palms basically. Go down as much as you can and continue looking to your palms. Continue and relax. Catch a few breaths. Take a few breaths here. And let's walk like a gorilla. Go down. Go down first. Spread your leg, go down. And take your arms on both the side and start walking like a gorilla. Continue. Walk like a gorilla. Continue. Do not give up. Keep your back straight. And relax. Slowly come up. Take few breaths here. Now let's move into the asanas. Follow the 3 key rules. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the finger, palms facing the sky. Slowly come up on your toes. Stretch your arm. Stretch your whole body. And breathing out, relax. Relax your arms. Let's do Konasana 2. Once again, take your arms up. Interlace the index fingers pointing to the ceiling. And breathing out, bend to the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side of the body. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. Breathing in, come back to the center, and breathing out, relax your arms. Let's do Kati Chakrasana. Straighten your arms in front as if you're holding a box in both the palms. Keeping that box intact, gently turn to your right side and make sure your right foot big toe is still touching the ground. And look over your right shoulder. Stay there, continue breathing, do not hold the breath. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out to the left. Look over your left shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center and breathing out, relax. Now spread your leg at least 1 to 1.5 feet apart. Breathing in, take your arms up, hips forward, head back. And breathing out, bend from your waist and slowly go down. And see if you can hold your foot, your ankle, your shin bone. And look over your right shoulder, wherever you can. Look over your right shoulder. Breathing in, relax the hold and hold your left leg, left foot, left ankle, left shin bone, and look over your left shoulder, wherever you can. Feel the stretch happening on the lower spine, lower back, and relax the hold. And you may rock your body left and right, keeping your arms loose, like a rag doll. Keep rocking left and right, jumping up and down, keeping your knees loose. And now sliding your palms on your leg, slowly come up. Relax. Let's spread our leg a little bit more and do Skandasana. Now slowly go down, palms on your knees. Keep your back straight. Go down as much as you can. Keep your back straight. Stay there, continue breathing. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax, loosen up your leg. Let's come to the front of the mat. Let's do one round of Surya Namaskar with some variation. Breathe in and out. Namaste. One. Join your palms together. Feel the touch of both the palms to each other. Breathing in, take your arms up and back, hips forward, head back. Stay there, take few breaths. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, bend from your waist. And slowly go down as much as you can. Stay there. Place the palms by the side of your feet. Every breath in, straighten your back, and breathing out, go closer to the knee. Breathing in, take your right leg back in Ashwasanchalanasana. And from here, slowly come up. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Tuck your toes in for the right leg. Take your arms up and lift up on your knee. And take your arms at the back. Bend backwards a little bit and go down as much as you can. Veerbhadrasana, or also known as Anjaneya Asana. And breathing out, relax. Slowly go down. Breathe in and out. Take left leg back. Body is in straight line in Dandasana, Chaturanga Dandasana. And from here, let's place our right leg in front of the chest on the ground. And gently take your palms closer to your waist. Look at the ceiling. Feel the stretch happening on your hip region, the contraction happening on your lower back. Bend your left leg only if you can, and hold your left ankle. And continue looking to the ceiling. Breathing out, relax the left leg. Slide your palms forward and slowly lie down. Balance your body weight on both the sides. Feel the stretch happening on your hamstring. Breathing in, slowly come up. And gently take your right leg back. And now let's do it with the left leg. Place your left leg in front of the chest. Now gently bring your palms closer to your waist and look at the ceiling. Gently bend your left leg, hold your left ankle, and continue looking at the ceiling. Relax your left leg and slide your palms forward and lie down. Transfer your whole body weight on both the sides. Body is not leaning to the left like this. It is balanced on both the sides. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, take your left leg back. Back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Now gently place your knee on the ground. Slide your chin forward. And come to Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 parts of the body touching the mat or the ground. Breathing in, slowly come up in Cobra pose. Breathing out, inverted V. Chest closer to your thighs. And heels are also touching the ground. Perfect V. Breathing in, take your right leg between the palms. And let's do the Anjaneyasana on the right leg. Now slowly come up. Tuck your left toes in. Palms in front of the chest. Take your arms up. And gently come up. Only if you can. And bend backwards. Go down. Push your pelvis down. And breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Bring your left leg between the palms. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, back to Namaste. So now let's do the second half. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, front and up. 3, forward and down. 4, left leg back. Hold the breath, right leg back. Breathing out, knee chest chin on the ground. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, left leg between the palms. Breathing out, right leg. In, up and back. And breathing out. Namaste. Very good. Okay. Now let's slowly go down. Imaginary chair pose. Push your buttocks back. Go back. Go down, down, down. Keep your back straight. And make sure your knees are not crossing the toe mark. Go down. Go down. And gently sit down. Join your feet together. Bring it close to the body. Straighten your back and flap your legs as if you have got the wings of the butterfly. Flap, flap, flap it faster, faster. Your back remains straight, and you may place both the feet around 4 to 6 inches far from the body. And keeping your back straight, slowly go forward and down. Gently press your elbows on your thighs so that both the legs are still touching the ground. And keeping your back straight, go down as much as you can. Listen to your body. Breathing in, slowly come out. Let's do forward bending, Paschimottanasana. Sit in Dandasana like this. Dandasana. If anybody is finding difficulty in sitting like this, they may place a pillow below the hip. And breathing in, take your arms up, stretch your arms. And breathing out, bend forward from your waist and slowly go down, keeping your back straight as much as you can. And hold your knee, ankle, toe, wherever you reach. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go down a bit. Once again, breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, keeping your back straight, go down a bit. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go down. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. And once you reach down completely, just stay there. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Okay. Now, whenever we do forward bending, we have to do a backward bending as a counter pose. So sit in Vajrasana and slowly come up on your knee. Let's do Uttanasana here. Place the palms around your waist region, hip region, and you may bend backwards. And those who are comfortable to do full Uttanasana, they may breathe in and take your right arm up and place it on your right heel. Once again, breathing in, take your left arm up, place it on your left and drop your head, push your hips forward. Stay there. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, sit down in Vajrasana and go to the child pose. Slide your palms forward, keeping your back straight. Stay there in child pose. Make sure your hips are not coming up from your heels. Now gently slide forward and lie down on your stomach. Palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Gently make a fist with your palms and tuck into your groin area. Breathing in, lift up both the legs. Stretch both the legs. Stretch both the legs as if somebody is pulling from the back. Breathing out, relax your stretch. And slide your palms and bring it below the shoulder. Breathing in, slowly come up vertebra by vertebra in Bhujangasana. Breathing out, relax, slowly go down. Bend your knees, hold the ankle, and breathing in, lift up in Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Breathing out, relax. Gently flip over to your back. Flip over to your back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. Let's interlace the finger first and place it below the head. Let's do abdominal crunches while lying down. So bring your left knee closer to your right elbow. One, two, 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 and relax. Palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Let's bend your legs. Place both the feet close to your hip, palms facing the ground. Breathing in, lift up your waist region up. Now balance your body, transfer the weight to both the feet. And breathing in, lift up your right leg straight up, those who can. Breathing out, relax your right leg. And this time breathing in, lift up your left leg up. Only if you can. Breathing out, relax your left leg. And slowly bring your waist down. Now spread both the feet more than hip width apart. And spread your arms on both the side of the body. Let's drop both the legs on the right side first and look at your left palm. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center and breathing out to the left. In, come back to the center and breathing out to the right. Once again, come back to the center and drop both the legs to the left and look at your right palm. Feel the relaxation around your spine. Let's do it one more time on the right and the left. This exercise can be done even after half an hour or 1 hour of your meal to assist in digestion. Straighten up your leg, palms by the side of your body, facing the sky. Let's tighten our body and make a sound. Okay, take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs. Make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face. Hold, 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 and ha. Relax. Let's do it one more time. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Hold the breath. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs. Make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face. Hold, hold, and ha. Relax. Drop your whole body to the ground. Feel the touch of each and every part of your body touching the mat or the ground. Just drop it. Gently bring the attention to your right foot. Right lower leg and knee. Right thigh and hip. Whole of your right leg. Gently move your attention to the left foot. Left lower leg and knee. Left thigh and hip. Whole of your left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. Chest near the heart. Right shoulder and right arm. Left shoulder, left arm, throat and neck region, face, forehead, top of the head, and whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Keeping your eyes closed, taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. And let's do Shanmukhi Pranayam here. So for Shanmukhi Pranayam, what we do is we take our thumbs and place it on your earlid. Your index fingers gently on your eyelids, middle finger gently on your nose, both the ring fingers on the upper lips, and the little finger on your chin. So this is the ready position. And then we breathe in normally. And breathing out, we make a humming sound. And while making a humming sound, we close and open our earlids. So let's start. Breathe in. Breathing out, relax. Feel the sensation around your face region. And Mukhi Pranayam is very good to take your all the five senses inward. Sit with your spine erect, body relax and loose. And gently bring your attention to your navel region, just above the navel and around the navel. Keep your attention to the navel region. Now gently move your attention to the chest region. Feel the sensation around your chest region. Now from here, gently move your attention to your head region, above the neck. the whole of your face, head. Keep your attention there. Now slowly take your attention to the top of the head. Feel any sensation or vibrations just above the head. Let go all your effort and relax. Bring a gentle smile on your face. Breathe in with a smile and slowly breathe out with a smile. Become aware of your body and the surrounding. Whenever you feel complete, you may slowly and gently open your eyes.